What's up yo? Guess what guys? Welcome back to my vlog. Welcome to my channel Janly TV. Again in the house guys. May i-reveal tayo ngayon guys. With tutorial na natin. Ipakita natin ng specs nitong ano guys. Ayan. Ang ating DBX 22. Ayan guys. 224XL crossover guys. So ayan guys, welcome back to my vlog guys, to my channel. Okay. I-reveal natin ang ituturo natin, ipapakita natin yung mga specs ni 224XL guys, DBX with subwoofer guys ng ating crossover. So, okay. Kung bago pala kayo sa aking channel guys, huwag kalimutang i-subscribe, like and share, and pakihit na rin yung ating all bell button para updated po kayo sa aking mga susunod na videos and uploaded videos guys. So, okay, pasadaan na natin guys. Ayan guys, yung ating i-reveal ngayon, powered by DBX. Ito yung kanyang power switch on guys. So, ayan. So ayan, i-focus natin. Ayan kanyang high, mid high frequency and low mid frequency, low and low frequency whooper. At ayan yung sinasabi ko kanina with whooper guys, left and right guys. Ayan, sim lang naman dito sa then yan yung kanyang ano guys, model 224XL guys. So ayan guys, okay, samahan nyo ko guys sa ating i-reveal ngayon guys. Ayan, 4-way stereo crossover plus subwoofer guys. Kaya ayan siya guys. Ayan ang ating, unahin natin dito guys sa left channel. Ayan, ayan ang kanyang high high. Okay, ano to, mid high frequency. Ayan guys, meron siyang ano guys, natakpang guys. Okay, 406.21.3 key and 2.3 key, and dito sa kabila 3 key and 7 key guys. So ayan, okay, tuloy natin din kanyang low mid frequency guys. Ayan, meron siya ayan 70, 90, 250, 400 and 750 and 1 key. Ayan, yan ang kanyang low frequency naman guys. Ayan, 50, 70, 120, 170, 230, 250 ang kanyang whooper. Ayan guys. Ayan, pares lang naman sa low, ayan, sa left channel guys. Ayan kanyang model guys. So, ayan, pasadaan mo natin ang ating ayan guys, gamit niya, vlog song lang guys. Ayan, sa likod naman guys, dito yung kanyang guys, easy cord guys, cable. Ayan, ang kagandahan nito guys, nahuhugot siya, saka may switch sa harap guys. So ayan guys, pasadaan natin. Ayan, kita nyo ba, made in China pa rin. Ang kanyang channel 1 in input, then ayan, high out, mid out and low out, sub out, kasi may sub out siya guys. Yan, same lang sa ano guys. Ito naman channel 2 input guys din. Ayan, mayroon siyang siyempre high out, mid out, low out and subwoofer. Ayan guys, so ayan, sub out guys. Ayan, ayan ang ating for this video guys. Okay, sana ayan guys, yung mga nagbabalak ng crossover, abang-abangan nyo itong sound check nito guys. So ayan, pasadaan na natin guys. So ayan kanyang box guys. So ayan, model 224XL din. Ayan guys, pasadaan natin guys. So ayan, okay. So ayan guys, hanggang dito na lang muna itong ating for this video for this channel, my channel. Ayan, so ayan guys, kung naibigan nyo may itong ating rebuild ngayon guys, pinakita natin kanyang mga specs, yung mga knob guys, ang mga frequency, low, high, mid, and sub out guys. So ayan. So okay, mega shoutout sa ating mga Kajanli TV dyan sa all sound system industry. So kung naibigay nyo to guys, huwag kalimutang i-subscribe, like, and share, and siyempre pakit na rin po yung ating all bell button para updated pa kayo sa aking mga susunod na videos at mga i-upload na videos po. So ayan, thank you so much for watching and God bless everyone po.